Let us go and solve the problem number 26 here. Right, find the number of cubical boxes of cubical side 3 centimeter which can be accommodated in a carton of dimension 15 centimeter, 9 centimeter and as well as 12 centimeter. So we need to find the number of cubical box. The required number of cubical box, required number of cubical box is equal to what? That the volume of the carton, that is volume of carton, volume of the box and volume of what? The cube. Right, let us check. Volume of box is how much? That is 15. So 9 into 12. And volume of cube is, that is, they have given cubical side 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3 into 3. And you must observe the dimensions. Here this is also centimeter and this is also centimeter. Directly simplify it. Now let me simplify. 3 ones are 3 3s are 3, this 3 I will cancel. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So now the remaining is what? 15 into 4, which is nothing but 60. 60 cubical boxes is required to accommodate that carton dimension 15 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 12 centimeter.